Most people think all crypto exchanges are the same, but the surprising truth is that each platform is different in terms of security, fees, and usability. Today, I'm sharing my personal experience with Bitstamp, one of the longest-running crypto exchanges in the world. Bitstamp allows you to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of altcoins. You can use it for spot trading or even larger transactions with their institutional-grade services. Setting up an account is straightforward. After verifying your identity, you can deposit fiat or crypto and start trading immediately. One thing I noticed is the clean, beginner-friendly interface. You won't believe what happens next when you place your first trade. Orders execute quickly, and the trading dashboard is intuitive without being overwhelming. Security is a key strength. Bitstamp keeps most funds in cold storage, offers two-factor authentication, and monitors accounts for suspicious activity. Most people get this wrong by assuming all exchanges are equally secure. Bitstamp has survived multiple crypto cycles since 2011, which shows resilience. The fees are competitive, especially for larger trades. They charge a small percentage per trade, and withdrawals are clear and transparent. However, the platform can feel slow during extreme market volatility, and customer support may take time to respond. The surprising truth is that reliability and transparency matter more than flashy features. Bitstamp may not have all the bells and whistles, but it is stable, secure, and trustworthy. If you want a straightforward crypto exchange that gets the job done, Bitstamp is a solid choice. Subscribe for more honest crypto platform reviews before you deposit your funds.